Hello, classmates. Today, let's complete the drawing of the prototype of the login interface of the Miaoke One client together. The login interface of the software is the first interface we encounter in the software. During the drawing process, we need to understand the functions of each part of the login interface. For example, login by mobile phone number, verification code, and other methods. Next, let's start the drawing. The first step is to open Adobe XD software. Open Adobe XD software and create a new canvas with a size of 1920 by 1080. And change the canvas color to black. The second step is to draw the framework of the prototype. First, create a rectangle with a size of 1080 multiplied by 1080. Move it to the left side of the canvas as the page information bar part. And adjust the opacity to 30. Then copy another rectangle and move it to the right side of the canvas. Adjust the size to 840 multiplied by 1080 and the opacity to 60 as the page function bar part. The third step is to draw the page information bar part. Create a rectangle with a size of 345 multiplied by 345 and change the opacity to 30. Then drag the edge of the canvas to draw guidelines. Position the upper guideline at 166 pixels and the left guideline at 365 pixels. Move the rectangle to the corresponding position and create the text annotation software icon. Then copy another rectangle and adjust the size to 210 multiplied by 70. Position the upper guideline at 550 pixels and move it to the center position with the software icon. Create the text annotation software name. The fourth step is to draw the page function bar part. First, create a rectangle and adjust the size to 180 multiplied by 60. Position the upper guideline at 144 pixels and the left guideline at 1120 pixels. Move the rectangle and add the text annotation after login. Then copy another rectangle and adjust the size to 160 multiplied by 35. Position the upper guideline at 165 pixels and the left guideline at 1317 pixels. Move the rectangle, copy the previous text annotation, and change it to Burn immediately. Then copy another rectangle with a size of 110 multiplied by 35. Position the upper guideline at 360 pixels and the left guideline at 1230 pixels. Move the rectangle and then add the text annotation mobile phone number. Then use the guidelines to position at 410 pixels above, 1230 pixels on the left, and 1785 pixels on the right. Draw a line segment with a width of 5 according to the guidelines. Then use the upper guideline to position at 470 pixels. Copy the mobile phone number and the line segment and move them to the corresponding positions. And change the text annotation to verification code. Create another rectangle with a size of 150 multiplied by 30. Position it at 455 pixels above and 1785 pixels on the right. And move the rectangle. Add the annotation get verification code. Then add the upper guideline at 430 pixels and the lower guideline at 510 pixels. Copy the line segment, rotate it 90 degrees, and adjust it to the corresponding position. Create another rectangle with a size of 430 multiplied by 80. Position it at 580 pixels above and 1298 pixels on the left. Add the text annotation verify and login. Then create a rectangle with a size of 356 multiplied by 33. Position it at 873 pixels above and 1334 pixels on the left. And add the text annotation login with social account. Then create a circle with a size of 74 multiplied by 74. Position it at 946 pixels above, 1355 pixels on the left, and 1678 pixels on the right. Copy it 3 times. Select all the circles, click Distribute horizontally to evenly distribute the 3 circles. Then add the text annotations and hide the guidelines. In this way, the drawing of the prototype of the login interface of the Miaoke One client is completed. We will use Adobe Illustrator software to design the login interface of the Miaoke One client. The login interface is a very important page in their website structure. The page has core functions such as the logo, login account, verification code, and other assistance functions. The font and input box are of moderate size, and the overall design is simple, elegant, clear, and easy to understand. First, we open Adobe Illustrator software and create a new canvas with the default size set to 1920 by 1080 pixels. The first step is to place the background image and the logo of Miaoke One, and adjust the logo to an appropriate position. The second step is to add the text on the login interface. Select the text tool. Input the text after login at an appropriate position on the right side. Set the text size to 60 and adjust the color. Then input the text, burn immediately. Set the text size to 36 and adjust the color and position. The third step is to draw the login input box. Select the pen tool to draw lines and set the stroke size to 2. Hold down the Alt key and drag to copy the lines. Then copy another line. Shorten it, rotate it 90 degrees, and adjust the position of the line. The fourth step is to add the text in the input box. Select the text tool, input the text's mobile phone number, verification code, and get verification code respectively, and then adjust the text size and position. The fifth step is to create a rectangle. Set the rectangle to an appropriate size. Use the eyedropper tool to pick up the color. Then edit the text, verify and login, and adjust the text size and color. The sixth step is to create other social account login functions. Select the text tool, edit the text, login with social account, and set the text size to 30. Then place the prepared social small icons. And finally adjust the login interface of the Miaoke One website as a whole. In this way, the design of the login interface of Miaoke One is completed. Classmates, see you in the next class.